Hey guys, it's Jess. I wanted to hop on and talk to you about the GFreeWifey Community Cook Book. So for anyone who hasn't picked up their copy yet, I have sold out of all the cases I had, but you can still order it through my website, or you can go to blurb.ca. It is available in the print or in the ebook version. So the GFreeWifey Community Cookbook, the idea is, what recipes do you cook? What recipes do you love? And, you know, a lot of people say, yeah, you know, I'm not a chef, or I don't cook a lot. But it's like, why do you eat gluten-free? And what are the things that you eat get you through the day? Because there's a lot of people who aren't cooks or don't know what to make, that are just being diagnosed with celiac disease, or finding out they have an autoimmune disease and they're being advised to avoid gluten, or they just found out they have gluten intolerance. So there's tons of reasons why people eat gluten-free, and they're overwhelmed and they're like, oh my gosh, I'm never gonna eat anything ever again, help me. That's this book. So what are the things that you go to, or what are the things that you tried when you first got diagnosed or went gluten-free, or what are some longtime family favorites that you just go back to? So I had people from across Canada send me their recipes. I made them, photographed them, donated all of the food, and then all of the money raised from the book goes back into GFreeWifey Food Bank. So kind of just go through, like, these are all of our amazing contributors. So people who submitted a recipe and it's in here and I made it. Also shout out to Off the Bone Meats for donating all of the meat to make the recipes in the book, and Noodle Pasta for donating all of the pasta for any recipes that called for pasta. So yeah, like flourless protein muffins from my friend Erin. We have gluten-free business owners, we have bloggers, we have naturopathic doctors, chefs, restaurant owners, people who've just been diagnosed, home cooks, like all different skill sets in the kitchen, all different styles of cooking, different tastes. So that's really the idea of the book, is to kind of try different things. You know, hello, I made bagels and they were amazing. So yeah, there's a bagel recipe in here, lots of different soups and stews. Here's one of our pasta dishes from Adam from Noodle Pasta, who donated all his pasta. Amazing. We have a keto pizza, yum. It was actually really good. I had to stop myself from eating the whole thing. Just so many things, guys. So all of the things. If you've tried a recipe and you loved it, let me know what your favorites are. And then I'm also accepting recipes for the next book. So you can hit the link in my bio and fill out the form to submit your recipe. Once I receive your recipe, I will go through them all once I have enough, and I will kind of select who's going to be in the book. You will be notified by email. If I have duplicates, I'll kind of reach out and see if we can get some different stuff. Hello, chocolate cake. Yum. Obviously my favorite, la 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 lemon squares. I saw this recipe come in and I was like, how am I going to make that? I am not a baker. They were fabulous. They were beautiful. They turned out perfect. And I felt like I could own a bake shop. So thanks, Gabriella, for that recipe. I've seen lots of you guys posting Raffia's cookies. Try those. Let me know how you like them. Yeah, just kind of all different stuff. So obviously, I'm not going to have the book ready for Gluten-Free Garage this year. I'm sorry. I've really, this one, I rushed so hard to make sure it was done for Gluten-Free Garage, but the next one, I'm going to work with some different people. I did this all on my own, so I'm going to get some help this time and just kind of step it up a notch. So I'm super excited. Yeah, guys, tell me what you've tried in here, because I obviously made everything, but these were really good. Blueberry lemon donuts. I never made a donut in my life before that. And then obviously my recipe was a dairy-free ice cream. Lots of people, when they go gluten-free, have to cut dairy as well. So yeah, just some tips on the back. Remember, when you're shopping, buy two, donate one, support your local food bank. And I hope to see you guys submitting recipes for the next cookbook. I'm so excited to make them, photograph them, donate the food, and get this book on the shelves.